Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking into an AI platform that has been getting a lot of attention lately. This platform lets you create realistic AI images, high-quality AI videos, anime art, and so much more, using some of the latest AI models available right now. We're going to explore the platform, test out some of its features, and see if it's actually worth your time. So if you're into AI tools and content creation, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So right here is the platform I've been telling you guys about. I've done multiple videos on this platform in the past, and this is another one to show you guys that this platform is actually very nice, very cool, and capable of producing some incredible images, movies, and AI videos. By now, most of you should already be familiar with this platform. Right here, we have Seedance, Seedance Super Zero, TenserArt, and Minimax, all available in one place. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see the different models available. Over here, you can also see posts from the community. Keep scrolling, and you'll find tons of amazing creations made using this platform. You can come here, explore these posts, and get inspiration for your own projects. One thing I really like is that the image generation on this platform is completely free, and I'll show you guys that in a moment. For now, I'm going to give you a quick tour and show you how everything works. One of the things that makes this platform stand out is the number of features it offers. We have OC creators, photo, video, seamless video, brand design, and so much more. Even the new Hailuo model is available here, and it's currently ranking among the top AI video generation models right now. Over on the left side, you'll find the software library and Canvas, which is one of the newer features. I'll show you Canvas in a bit because I think there have been some updates recently. As we scroll down, you'll find models, AI teams, posts, workflows, articles, events, and leaderboards. Further down, there are channels dedicated to characters, anime, realistic videos, sci-fi, visual design skills, and many more categories. Now, let's start exploring each section. First, let's head over to the library. This is where all your uploaded files are stored. As of now, I haven't uploaded anything yet. I usually create my content and download it directly to my computer. Next, let's take a look at models. These are the different AI models available for image and video generation. You can even train your own model or host a model directly on the platform. There are all kinds of models available here, including LoRa illustration models and many popular community-created LoRas. There are so many models you can experiment with, and most of them are completely free to use. Now, let's click on AI tools. These are quick access tools you can use immediately. You have tools like Upscaler, Extractor, and several others. Simply upload your image, enter your prompt if needed, and the tool will generate a very impressive result for you. Next, let's move over to workflows. Inside workflows, you'll find different workflow templates that can be used locally on your computer without requiring a new GPU setup. These are various comfy UI workflows that creators have shared with the community. You can browse through them and find one that suits your needs. For now, let's leave that section and head over to Canvas. Canvas is where you can create stunning images and videos using some of the best AI models available today. You can search for AI agents, image models, and video models directly from here. Let's start with the image models. As you can see, there are several top-quality image models available, including Nano Banana, GPT Image, Flux, and many more. These models are capable of producing some incredibly beautiful and realistic images. Now let's move over to the video models. Here we have Hailuo, Seedance, Too Fast, Kling, and several other powerful video generation models. Let's start with image generation. I'll select Nano Banana as my model. The prompt is already included, so let's go ahead and hit generate. The image is now generating. Let's give it a few seconds. All right, it's done. This is the image right here. If you click on it, you'll see several options available. You can send it to your workspace, edit it, remix it, crop it, remove the background, upscale it, and much more. Let's expand the image for a better look. Take a look at this. It looks very clean, realistic, and detailed. The model followed the prompt perfectly without any issues. The quality is excellent, and the level of realism is impressive. Now, let's try another prompt using a different model. I'll switch over to the new GPT image model and click Generate. All right, it's finished generating. Just like before, you have all the editing options available at the top. Let's expand the image and take a closer look. Wow, this image looks absolutely amazing. I was expecting to see some distortion in the fingers or small details, but honestly, there isn't any noticeable issue at all. The background looks fantastic, and the overall image quality is top-notch. Let's download this image and move on to another model. Now let's clear everything and test a video model. This time, we'll go with Hailuo. I've already prepared the prompt, so let's click Generate. Since video generation takes a little longer, I'm going to skip ahead and come back once it's finished. All right, the video is done generating. Let's take a look at it. Wow, this video came out really well. The motion is smooth, the character movement feels natural, and the way the hair moves in the wind is especially impressive. Let's go ahead and download this video to our computer. Now, let's test the exact same prompt using a different model. This time, we'll use Cadence 2. We'll hit Generate and keep the default settings. Keep in mind that you can also adjust the quality, aspect ratio, and duration if you want even better results. All right, the video is now finished generating. Let's expand it and see how it performs. And honestly, it did an amazing job. This is the Cadence model, and the motion quality is incredibly smooth and realistic. The consistency throughout the video is impressive, and the final result looks very professional. Let's go ahead and download this video as well. And with that, I think we're going to wrap up today's video. If you want more AI image generators, AI video generators, and tools like this, feel free to join my Discord server. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.